R44 YouTube channel. Today it's quite an exciting day as always. We've got a really cool product behind me. We have the front setup for the EBC Big Brake Kit for an F series. So this kit consists of 2 calipers and 2 brake discs and some pads. Inside the box, I believe you get everything. Actually, you get some fluid as well and some lines, so they're actually quite cool, but we'll look into it in more detail. But the reason is I've got an F80 M3 behind me that I use as a track car. The brakes on them are pretty good. I've got a full EBC brake setup. I've got RPX pads and 2-piece discs already and some race fluid, no braided lines. Brakes good, they're good. They've lasted quite a long time, but the problem is the car is about 80,000 miles old and I want to prepare for the summer ahead. I want to be able to use the car every day, any track day I want. I don't want to worry about the quality of the brake calipers, the O-rings, everything like that. It's done a lot of miles, 90,000 miles, and it's a 2014 car, so it's almost 10 years old. So yeah, it's time to refresh them. I didn't want to go crazy. I don't want to spend a load of money. I wanted something that is a step up from OEM, but it's good value for money. So we have it here, the EBC brakes. Let's get it unboxed. The goods. Apart from the discs, in here are just the classic 2-piece discs designed for the big BBK, and I think they're 6-pot, so 6-pot calipers, really nice. I've gone for the yellow because I do have a GT3 RS that has the Porsche ceramic yellows. This is a little bit brighter than the yellow on the Porsche ceramic, so what I'll do is probably run these for the next couple months, kind of get used to them, see how I like them, and then when the car goes in for a freshen up at the end of the year, I'll change these to the matching color of the Porsche. So that'll be the end goal, but for now, these are more than beautiful. So we've got 2 front calipers here. We've got the new racing compound. So these are the S something, we'll put it here. But yeah, these are the new race compound brakes. So these are more endurance. There's 2 levels. There's like a medium bite and then a really high bite. So these are the racing compounds. Do not use them on the street. They're designed for the racetrack only. We've got some retaining springs. We've got a bag of fixings, 2 EBC brake lines. So I'm gonna match the rears with some EBC braided lines as well. And a litre of their brake fluid. So yeah, nice little kit. Everything comes in the box. These are cam compatible if you buy the right part number. That gives you the right bracket for an F series car, so an M140i. So that's something that we're going to do on our M140i in the near future, and probably our Fiesta ST, but the slightly smaller ones. And hopefully EBC will bring out some rears, so that'd be really cool. But more importantly, let's get installing. All right, so we'll quickly look at the rear brake setup on the car. So we've got the EBC 2-piece discs already and the RPX pads. They don't make the new race pad yet for the rear. It's not really needed. It's best just to run the RPX or a blue stuff. And of course, we've got the BMX stud and nut kit already installed. And of course, you can see, mate, look how horrible my car is, 90,000 miles. There's a lot of rust, but the main components that actually do the work, such as the suspension, all the arms have been replaced. And Dylan will show you now, we've got the full Nitron R3 setup, front and rear. We've got all the adjustable arms from Suspension Secrets as well as bushings. We've got some really cool stuff, and have a look inside the car now.